How to repost a Snapchat spotlight video. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Snapchat and make sure your Snapchat application is updated to its latest version. Next, go ahead and open the Snapchat application and make sure that you are signed in. Now, tap on the spotlight option on the bottom right of your screen and then scroll through and navigate to the post or the video that you want to repost. Here, if the user allows, you will see the repost icon on the right side of your screen. Simply tap on that particular icon and with this, that particular video will be reposted. So, this is how you can repost a Snapchat Spotlight video. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.